Hi, I'm Hilton Price with PennEnergy.com, here with ExxonMobil's Brent Winter. Brent, what are some of the biggest challenges to maintaining effective gas turbine performance?
Well, one of the biggest challenges we run into is varnish formation, which is a catch-all term for deposits in gas turbines. While treating the symptoms of varnish with mitigation techniques may extend the life of the oil, it's more important to start with a clean system and a turbine oil that minimizes varnish, like our Mobil DT 932 GT.
Welcome everyone to Power Generation Week here in Orlando, Florida at the Orange County Convention Center. I'm Russell Ray, Chief Editor of Power Engineering Magazine and Chairman of the Power Gen International Conference Program Committee. In case you didn't know, Power Generation Week is the largest annual gathering of power professionals in the world. More than 21,000 people are expected to attend this week's events, which include 5 great conferences and 3 exhibitions. Power Gen International, the Renewable Energy World Conference and Expo, Nuclear Power International, the Power Gen Financial Forum, and the very popular Gen Forum. Altogether, more than 350 speakers will be featured in 80 conference sessions during Power Generation Week. If you're looking for a comprehensive report on the trends and challenges facing the global power market today, this is where you need to be. The conference began with several well-attended pre-conference workshops on Sunday and Monday, and our annual golf tournament was held Monday at Disney's Magnolia Golf Course. We also had 7 technical tours, among them the Cape Canaveral Next Generation Clean Energy Center, a 1,200 megawatt combined cycle plant commissioned in 2013 by Florida Power & Light. The Hines Energy Complex, a 1,900 megawatt gas-fired plant owned and operated by Duke Energy. Siemens Energy's Wind Service Training Center, a 40,000 square foot facility here in Orlando. And attendees didn't have to go very far to see the largest rooftop solar array in the southeastern U.S. On the roof of the Orange County Convention Center, delegates got a close look at a 1.1 megawatt solar array with 5,800 solar panels. On Monday night, we celebrated some of the industry's greatest achievements as we announced the winners of the 2014 Projects of the Year Awards. Our very own Jennifer Van Berklio joins us now with a report from Epcot on the winning projects.
Thanks, Russell. The Projects of the Year were announced here at Disney's Epcot Center during the awards gala hosted by Power Engineering and Renewable Energy World magazines. The 110 megawatt Boundary Dam Integrated Carbon Capture and Storage Project owned by SAS Power took home the Coal Project of the Year. The CCS project captures up to 90% of Unit 3 CO2 emissions and stores them permanently underground. In Canada, the current regulation is that coal-fired power plants built before 1975 are required to close by 2020, while units built after 1975 must close by 2030 unless they can emit less than 420 tons of CO2 per gigawatt hour. The Boundary Dam CCS system will allow Unit 3 to continue operations by producing 140 tons of CO2 per megawatt hour. Florida Power & Light's Riviera Beach Next Generation Clean Energy Center was awarded the Natural Gas Project of the Year. The combined cycle power plant began commercial operation in April 2014. The $1.3 billion project uses 33% less fuel per megawatt hour than the old plant it replaced. The new plant uses 3 H-class gas turbines from Siemens and is capable of producing more than 1,250 megawatts of electricity without using any additional water while reducing emissions. The Nuclear Project of the Year was awarded to the 915 megawatt Bushehr nuclear power plant in Iran. The project represents Iran's first nuclear power plant, which began operations in September 2013. Rosatom built Unit 1 using structures and equipment already in place at the site. The Iranian and Russian governments signed an agreement in August 1992 to build and operate a 2-unit nuclear plant in Iran. In 2013, Iran's energy minister said it saved some $2 billion in oil and gas. The best renewable project of the year went to Ivanpah Solar Electric Generating System. The 392 megawatt CSP project was officially commissioned in January 2014. The project was the recipient of a $168 million loan from Google and a $1.3 billion loan guarantee from the U.S. Department of Energy. Now back to you, Russell.
Thank you, Jennifer. As you can see behind me, the stage is set for our keynote session Tuesday morning. The keynote will feature compelling talks from Bob Participi, former Deputy Administrator of the EPA, David Walsh, CEO of Mitsubishi Hitachi Power Systems Americas, Kimberly Green, Chief Operating Officer of Southern Company, and Mauricio Gutierrez, Chief Operating Officer of NRG Energy. We have more than 1,400 exhibiting companies, and we're expecting a big crowd, more than 21,000 attendees. There will be a lot to see and experience here over the next few days, and we hope you can make the most of your visit to this amazing conference and exhibition. Thanks for tuning in. Reporting from Orlando, Florida, and for Power Engineering Magazine, I'm Russell Ray.